In this video, I'm going to take a look at the Cricut Brightpad Go. I'm going to unbox this and give you my initial impressions. If you're an artist looking for a light pad, find out if this is the right light pad for you. Let's dive right in. So this is the Brightpad Go by Cricut. So the Brightpad Go is the cordless version of the Brightpad. So this has a built-in battery so you can use it even without a wire. I wanted to get a cordless version because I have too many wires on my desk right now. So the fewer wires I have, the better. So what's included in the box is the Cricut Brightpad Go, the micro USB cable, and the USB power adapter. The size of this is 13.5 by 11 inches, and the inside lighted area is 11.5 by 9 inches. It's 0.34 inches thick. It has 5 brightness settings. So let's open this. So I've had other light pads before, but what I've found is that they're not bright enough for what I need. So you can see the cable and the adapter is right here at the back. And this is the manual. So hopefully this is charged, so we're going to turn it on. And so this is what it looks like off. And then when I turn it on, this is the 1 brightness, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's pretty bright. I'm just going to compare the brightness with my other light pad. The reason why I wanted to get another light pad was because this light pad is definitely not strong enough or bright enough for what I need it for. So I just drew a couple of shapes in different colors, a couple of words in different colors, and we're going to see how it compares. So I'm just using 140-pound watercolor paper, which is like for other kinds of papers, this light pad is fine, but when it comes to the thicker watercolor paper, I really have a hard time seeing the things that I need to trace. So I don't know if you can see it very well, but you can kind of see the blue square a little bit. It's kind of hard to see. The pink circle, you can kind of see that. The yellow triangle is a lot harder to see, so you can barely make it out. And then, like, I really gotta hold it down to really see. The pink actually shows up the most, and then this blue one kind of shows up, and you can barely make out the yellow. And then, of course, this thick one shows up pretty well. So that's kind of my problem with this brightness, is that you can barely see some details. So let's go over here. So definitely the blue is a lot brighter if you compare it. This one, you can see it better. The pink circle, again, you can see that a lot better. The yellow triangle is also hard to see, but you can actually see this much better on the bright pad. So, and then when you compare this blue hello, it's more obvious that this one looks better. The hello, the pink hello, this is better. And really here you can barely see the hello, but here on a bright pad you can kind of make it out. It's still hard to see because it's such a light color, but it's a little bit better here. And then you can kind of see the difference here. And I think the main difference that I can see is that you can see through the white of the paper versus here where you can't really see anything. So this definitely feels a lot brighter. And I'm gonna turn down the brightness here. So this is a 5, this is a 4, a 3, a 2, and a 1. And this is it all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, that's off, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is what it looks like in the back. Overall, I really like this light pad. Feels really sturdy, and it's definitely so much brighter than any other light pad I've had before. So I highly recommend getting this one. This is the one to get. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.